Pinumpirma ng Department of Public Works and Highways sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ang posibilidad ng ghost flood control project sa bansa. Idon tinukoy ni Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada kay DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Sa impormasyon nakarating kay Estrada, may mga ghost projects sa bayan ng Kalumpit, Malolos at Agonoy sa Bulacan.
Anong ghost projects ninyo dyan?
This is on the process of validation, Your Honor.
But do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? Or there were ghost projects?
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
Kailan nyo pa nalaman na may mga ghost projects? Since you assumed office, Mr. Secretary? Or just lately?
Just lately, Your Honor, and unfortunately...
So ibig sabihin, when did you assume as Secretary when President Marcos appointed you in 2022?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
all right.
Your
My office received reports that there were ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's true.
Well, this is information that we have received, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wawaw Builders, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ayon kay Bonoan, mula 2022 hanggang 2025, maabot sa 85 na mga proyekto na kakalaga ng 5.97 bilyong pisong nakuha ng Wawaw Builders. Mula sa kabuang 9 billion pesos na kontrata nito sa buong bansa. Iniimbestiga na ngayon ng DPWH sa naturang proyekto, pero pagtitiyak pa ni Bonoan, inalis na sa pwesto ang buong District Engineering Office sa Bulacan. Hindi naman direktang matanong ng mga senador ang nasabing kontraktor dahil wala ni isa mula sa Wawaw Builders ang dumalo sa pagdinig. Pinadala na ng sabi ng 8 mula sa 15 contractor na inimbitahan ng Senado matapos itong hindi sumipot sa pagdinig.
Mr. Chair, siguro pag when we invite them, not invite, subpoena them next hearing, they have to come up with a reasonable answer. Hindi ho yung may sakit, may nauna, para hong itong committee natin na may sakit, nagbakasyon na, may mga prior schedule. Ano mas importante, prior schedule, Mr. Chair? Or itong investigasyon nito, because 544 billion na pinag-uusapan natin.
May I recommend to our the Senate President Pro Tempore to subpoena the owners of the corporations, not merely representatives. Kasi subukan na natin dito yan, pag representatives, wala hong isasagot ho yan.
Ang mga tinig ni Senador Erwin Tulfo at Senador Win Gatchalian.